Okay, here we are going to complete the square, and the way we complete the square here is we grab that, oh sorry, haha, I messed up. These all have supposed to have x's in there. Okay, sorry. It's x squared plus 22x, right? This supposed to have all x's in there. That's supposed to be the b term. Sorry about that. Okay, so first of all, we grab the b term, which is this. Okay, b equals to 22. Then we divide that by 2. This becomes 11. Then we square it. That becomes 121, and that is our c value. There you go. Okay, that's what we're adding right here. Okay, then here we have the b term. Okay, it's in front of the x. B equals to negative 16. We divide that by 2. This becomes negative 8. Our c value is going to be negative 8 squared, in a parentheses of course. This becomes 64, and that is our constant that we are going to add right here. That constant is always positive. Here we have our b term here is negative 14. We're going to divide that by 2. This gets us b equals to negative 7. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we're going to square it, because please be careful, right? It should be in a parentheses, so our c is equal to 49. That is what we're going to add right there to complete that square. Then lastly, we have a b value of 8. We divide this by 2. This becomes 4. Then we square it. Once we square it, it becomes c is equal to 4 squared is 16. That is what we are adding to complete the square. So there you go. That is how you complete the square.